Stop wasting time learning broken HTML habits. Today I will talk you from zero to pro. Real HTML you can use in production, not outdated tricks. By the end, you will know structures, semantics, from form, media, accessibility, and how to shape clean, fast markup. Let's go. In this video, fundamentals that never change, semantic HTML that improves accessibility and SEO, particular form and media usage, layout patterns and pro tips, performance security and deploy HTML. No fulfill real examples. Follow along with the code show on screen. HTML is a skeleton of every web page. If it is a miss everything else, CSS, JavaScript, perform accessibility, get headers. Good HTML is a readable, semantic, and future proof. Learn this well and you better sites faster. You heard about how web works. It is the combination of a presentation tier, logic tier, and data tier. A presentation tier is a client, nothing but your server, not no no your browser. Logic tier is the your server, and data tier is a database. How it works, user enters the what you want in a browser sends the URL to the server don't understand the URL. It don't understand the URL. Then comes to DNS. DNS is convert URL to IP address. Then it understand and responds the to the browser. Respond to browser in a form of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And other you enter another web page. It will send you in another form of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is a multi-page. It is multi-page, and another one is a single page. It's send in a second response in a JSON. Browser is a client-side application which is used to send the request and get back the response from the user. And URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. When we search from anything in the browser, it will generate an URL. Example: HTTPS, hypertext transfer protocol security, www.instagram.com, World Wide Web. And DNS stands for Domain Name Server, is responsible for converting your URL to into IP address. Server, it is the place where all the websites are hosted. IP address of all data were stored here. It is not a database, it is a like a big computer. HTTPS. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It transfers the information as a plain text. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It transfers the information in encrypted format. Attributes in HTML. Attributes are special keywords which are provided in the opening tag of the element. It will provide additional information about elements. ID, unique identity an element. One element should have one ID only. Class used to group similar elements on elements can have a multiple classes. Style used to give inline CSS. Title used to provide the tooltip, which is the extra information to the user once he over the cursor over the element. Let's go with VS Code Editor and how it works. Let's go. First, I will make a new folder, name as a HTML no web underscore site. Site. Open it and make another new folder, as HTML, open it and make another folder as a basic basic and click on top, enter cmd and enter and write code space dot, enter. It will open VS Code. In this, make another file as a HTML dot as a index dot HTML. Enter. Make another one file index dot CSS. Enter. Open your index.html and click shift plus exclamation mark, enter. It will provide you boilerplate of the HTML and take one div container, and in div container let's show how attributes are work. First I take a ID and enter any what you want. I am typing div and open CSS and use star. Star is the symbol of ID selector or ID attribute. Write div, open curly braces and enter, and write basic background color black and go to index.html and click on open with live server. It didn't open. Why? Let's go and we not link the CSS. Click title below and link tag and use dot slash basic not basic index dot CSS and go to the, it will not open. Provide height and width. Height is equal to 100%, width is equal to 100%. Let's see, it will give you background like this. Attributes are work. Attributes are work in div id div. We provide as a hash div and we provide the background color black and height view 100% viewport height, width 100%, 100 width height. Let's go with heading tags. Heading tags are basically used to provide a title or subtitle to the content in the web page. These are all the period tags. We have a set of heading tags from H1 to H6. H1 is the higher in font size and H6 is the lowest in the font size. H1 H1 pixel is a 32 pixel R2EM. H2 is a 24 pixel. H3 is a 18 pixel. H4 is a 16 pixel. H5 is a 13 pixel. H6 is a 10 pixel. Let's go with the VS Code editor and see how the heading tags are work. Let's go to the browser. See the difference between H1, H2 and H3, H4, H5, H6. How these heading tags are work. H1 is a heading, full heading, and these four are subheadings. Formatting tags. Tags are used to display the content in different format. It will be display the content in bold. It will be display the content in italic format. It will be provide an underline to the content. Let's implement B and I. B is a bold tag, I is a italic tag. Let's the difference. B is a bold. It is in bold. and I is italic. If give me in italics, U, we enter the U underline. Let's take output. It is given underline. See, it's given to underline. Semantic tags, the tags self-define and their purpose. Header, article, main, now, section, aside, footers. List in HTML. HTML lists allows to group the it- items together. HTML lists are were classified into two ways. So order list, group of items in an sequential format, also known as number list. Tags OLLA. Attributes type of format sequence. One number, small letter, capital letter, Roman number, capital, Roman, small number starts. It starts the position and enter number. Reverse is the used to reverse the numbers. Order list display a set of related items with special symbols, also known as a bullet list. Tag UL LI attributes type of format for sequence, disk, square, circle, non. Let's go with the VS Code editor. See how its outputs comes. And it is give you default by numbers 1 2. Let's change to the any other numbers. Go to the OL and the space in this provided type it will automatically suggest to what you want. I am that A, it will give you AB, and I, it will give in format I here, and you can provide 10 and RE reverse, it will give in reverse form like a 2 1 1 2. It will give like a reverse form. Let's see how another leads work. Make it as a comment, explanatory mark, and then the enter UL LI. Let's give you default value as a disk. Let's change the type in and another list. You provide a style and in this list style type circle symbol. I am providing a circle. Let's give in circle forms like this. Let's go with image tag. Image tag. The image tag is used to embed an image in a HTML page. The image tag has a two main attributes. SRC specify the path to the image. ALT specify the alternative text for the image. If your image for some reason cannot be displayed. Height and width. These attributes is used to provide a height and width for the an image. Go with Google and search Pixabay. If you want any image, click this, click right click and copy image address and go to the VS Code and enter image and paste the link, and in this link how it's here, it's given like this fold full. I am providing the height and width for this image. Height is a 300 pixel width. Width is also 300 pixel. Open links. This provide like this and open. I am mistaking the image link and enter in alt buds. Open the like an image is not provided, which give you like this. Go with anchor tag and hyperlink. Anchor tag helps us to navigate from one page to another web page, and within the same page also by using anchor tag we can create a hyperlinks in web page. Whether content you place inside an anchor tag tag became a clickable hyperlink. This content can be text, image, or even the HTML elements. Hyperlinks is the clickable link in the digital document or web page that takes you to another location. And unvisited link is a underline and blue. A visited link is a underlined and purple. An active link is a underline and red. Let's see how anchor tags is work. Take one anchor tag A and enter. Go to the any website. I am taking Amazon and copy this link. Control C and open and paste in href directly and it will opens. Click here. It will go to the Amazon. Got it. Attributes and anchor tags. href link hyperlinks refers to href URL. Target the targeted attributes and anchor. A tag specify where I open the linked document or web page and the hyperlink is clicked. Tables in HTML. HTML tables allows us to store the data in the form of rows and columns. Tags table creation. TH table heading, TR table row, TD table data. Attributes like a border, row spam, column spam. Let's see how it works. I am providing table tag. TR is a table row, TDTH is a data table data. Let's see how it works. Like this, if you want to provide a border, to tx, it will give a border like this 2 pixel. And what is form? HTML forms are used to calculate inputs or data from user and sends it to the server from a future processing. What are form elements? Form elements are components within an HTML form that allows user to enter and submit data. Input tag is used to create a field where user can enter data, linked text, number or password on a web page. Label tags in HTML is used to define a caption or name for the input element in help user can understand that what information they should enter. Select tag is HTML is used to create a drop down menu here where user can choose one or more option from a list. Text area tag is HTML is used to create a large text box where user can enter multiple lines of a text link or writing a command on or message. I will already write a program with program like select required option non option Mr. option Mistress Mrs. and get be a tag and label is name. First name input type text ID is name. For and ID it will required to enter. When we click the name, it will open like this selection. When you click the selection and on Mr. Mrs. and when you click first name, it will redirect you enter the name. It will enter like this. It is a address box or and it is submit button. When you click submit button, it will enter request to fill. Please fill out this field. And when you enter Gmail, it's give you like this fill this and like any field. It's give you please enter an email address. When we enter gmail.com, it will take not take Gmail gmail.com submit and like this will what is HTML input and its types. HTML inputs is a unpaid tags used to accept different types of input from user. The types of inputs is specified by the type attribute which can have a various values such as text, email, password, data and more. Input type button is for submit button. Input type checkbox is a checkbox. Input type data for date. Input type email. Input type file. Input type number. Input type password. Input type radio for taking the like these types of radio buttons. Input type submit for submit button. Input type text. In attributes inside COM tag, HTML input elements have several attributes that define their behavior and appearance. Some common attributes include type, name, value, placeholder.